The job of a janitor may seem to be obscure and unimportant. Perhaps a little history will help each of us become more attuned to our true purpose in life. The word janitor comes from one of the most revered, sanctified, honored ancient Roman god, Janus. The Julian calendar exalted his name by using January as the first month of the year. Janus was the second most powerful god in ancient Roman times who protected all of the gates and arches, beginnings and endings, and was the caretaker of all of the Roman temples. The word custodian has its historical foundation in more legal thought. A custodian is someone in charge of the safekeeping of something of value. We have custodians of our children, custodians of financial assets, custodians of the law, and your position, custodian of environmental health. There is no reason to think that the job of a custodian is merely someone who mops a floor. In fact, this is someone who is in charge of the well-being of the public health, care of buildings, and the protector from the spread of disease, all of which falls to the custodians of our society. Sanitation is the first line of defense when it comes to community health, and you will soon be the certified professional bringing this line of defense to the public. The medical profession is last in the line of healthcare after an illness has set in. As a lifelong custodian, it has been very clear to me that the role I have played in this profession is of more importance than most people had thought. The value of a cleaning service is not just cleaning, but a major contributor to the health of society.